Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to add another account on your WhatsApp on your iPhone, okay? It's not something difficult. I'm going to share with you the steps right now. So I'm going to go to my phone, and the first thing that I will do, which is I'm going to go to settings, then go to general, and then click on iPhone storage. Okay, and you're search for WhatsApp. So for me, that's it. Okay, so now all you need to do is just click on offload app, not delete, because we don't want to delete it, but offload app, click on it, and then confirm. By clicking on confirm, like on offload app again, like this, you just cleared all the cache, and now you can go back to WhatsApp app, and you can like log in to another account, and like this, you just did it. You just like added another account on WhatsApp on your iPhone. It's not something difficult, as I told you. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.